It's opening day. Matt's at bat. What a beautiful autumn day. Whoop, foul ball. Didn't like that one. Oh, big swing. Oh, here we go. A line drive down third base. Matt's heading to first. Leadoff batter. Matt's been brushed back. All right. Hit by pitch. Hit by pitch. I missed it. Matt just charged the mound. Coach is coming out to hold him back. Oh, there goes the big one. Right over shortstop. Oh, bases were loaded. Matt's going to second. Matt's heading past second. There's Kyle rounding third, and there comes Matt.